Have you ever questioned if reheating food using the incorrect method may be dangerous? Well, you're not alone. Many individuals reheat meals and make errors that could cause food poisoning, nutritional loss, and even undesirable textures. This video will cover the key periods for reheating food, the do's and don'ts, and some basic advice to make your meals both safe and tasty. Let's start right now. Reheat meals using timing. It is everything. Food left out too long before reheating can become a bacterial haven. Following these essential guidelines will help you guarantee food safety. Chill food 2 hours after cooking. Food kept at room temperature for too long can reach the danger zone, 40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4 to 60 degrees Celsius, when germs, including Salmonella and E. coli, proliferate quickly. Foodborne disease risk rises if food stays out for more than 2 hours, or 1 hour in warmer circumstances over 90 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately 32 degrees. Store leftovers right away in sealed containers to preserve safety and freshness. For perishable items like meat, chicken, fish, and tofu, such preservation is especially crucial. Dairy products, cooked grains, pasta, and veggies. Sort fresh, peeled, and chopped fruits and vegetables. Reheat meals 3 to 4 days later. Consuming leftovers within a few days will help prevent bacterial development and foodborne diseases. Harmful germs like listeria can proliferate even in refrigerated food over time. Freeze leftovers in sealed containers and label them with the date for simple tracking to increase shelf life. Frozen leftovers usually last up to 3 months, but will start to lose quality before that time. Please reheat only the portion you need. Instead of reheating the entire meal multiple times, take out just the piece you plan to enjoy. Every time you reheat and chill food again, the risk of bacterial contamination increases. If you intend to save leftovers, just reheat the necessary quantity and keep the remainder refrigerated. Food should always be heated to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, approximately 74 degrees Celsius. That is the acceptable temperature to destroy dangerous germs, including Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. Always stir and let food settle for consistent heat distribution. Microwaves can produce chilly areas where germs thrive. For meat, poultry, and leftovers especially, using a food thermometer guarantees precision. Should you lack a food thermometer, ensure food is boiling hot before consumption. Before reheating, store food properly. Keep it fresh and secure by refrigerating or freezing it in airtight containers. Your refrigerator needs good ventilation to keep food at a healthy temperature, hence avoid crowding it. Before refrigeration or freezing, help food cool uniformly using shallow containers. Let us now address what you should and shouldn't do while reheating meals. Use a food thermometer to check the temperature. Obey these easy rules to prevent frequent errors influencing food safety and quality. Stir food midway to heat it uniformly and avoid cold spots while microwaving. For items requiring crunchy textures, like pizza or fried foods, use an oven or cooktop. Cover food to preserve moisture and stop it from drying out while you reheat it. Thaw frozen food in the refrigerator before reheating to guarantee even heating and prevent bacterial development. Reheat soups, sauces, and stews gently over low heat while stirring to preserve consistency and texture. Don't reheat meals more than once. The practice lowers quality and raises contamination risk. Plastic containers that are not microwave safe should not be used, as they might leak dangerous chemicals into your food. Food should not be reheated in a slow cooker, as it cannot heat quickly enough to eliminate germs and can leave it in the danger zone for much too long. Steaming hot food is not always safe. Stir and look for chilly patches to guarantee consistent heating. Avoid reheating improperly stored foods like rice, spinach, eggs, or mushrooms. Some foods, despite their appearance, might harbor dangerous poisons or microorganisms. Now let me share some professional advice to make your reheated food taste just as good as it was freshly cooked. Tip 1. Reheat fried dishes in an oven or air fryer to maintain their crispy instead of soggy texture. Because there's too much moisture, the microwave usually softens and chews fried foods. Tip 2. Reheat rice or pasta, adding a little water to restore moisture and stop it from drying out. Covering with a damp paper towel can also help keep moisture in the microwave. Tip 3. Use low heat when reheating soups or sauces on the stovetop to minimize separation and maintain even cooking. Stir often to preserve a smooth texture. Tip 4. To guarantee equal warming, cut big chunks of meat before reheating. Big portions of meat can cook unevenly, resulting in hot and cold patches. Tip 5. To help minimize temperature shock, always let chilled food remain at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before reheating. This process stops food from drying out and aids in more consistent reheating. Tip 6. To bring stale bread back to life, lightly moisten it and bake it in the oven for a few minutes to reawaken its softness and texture. Tip 7. Direct microwaving of vegetables could cause them to go mushy. Rather, simmer them for a few minutes to preserve their inherent crunch and nutrition. And that's it. You now know just how to reheat your food carefully to make it taste fantastic. These ideas can help you to savor leftovers as equally delicious as freshly prepared food. If this video was useful, hit that like button, subscribe for further food safety advice, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite dish to reheat? Eat wisely and stay safe.